In my project, I'm going to demonstrate how changing the volume of a shape does not mean that we have to have a completely new shape. By making a few cuts into a chocolate bar, I can show you how to make a perfect rectangle by getting rid of one of the square. By manipulating the slope of a diagonal line, I'm going to trick your eyes so that instead of seeing and believing, you will believe and then see. Understanding that everything I do involves geometry. When the diagonal cut is made from the second bar on the left side up to the third bar on the right, it allows to move the chocolate, thus making the third from bottom row smaller. This missing layer is equivalent to the square taken and put into the cup, but is hardly noticeable because the viewer counts each square and doesn't actually measure the chocolate bar.